Hello dear students, this is Nasreen Purzia, your course trainer for retail services. Welcomes you once again to the online session of Northeast Skills Center. Today's session is from our core module Visual Merchandising, which is again a continuation from Unit 3 Prepare Display Area. Today's topic is types, function and factors to consider for using different window structures. At the end of this video, I will be giving you an assignment based on today's topic. So guys, let's go through the slides. The retail window displays play a very important role as it allows the viewers to come into the store and check out the products. What if the exterior of the store is gloomy? Would you like to visit the store and check out their products? Certainly not. It is known to be one way of turning passers-by into customers. You should know that in retail, 90% of space is allocated for selling and remaining 10% is allocated for receiving, storage, merchandise alterations, visual merchandising, promotion, merchandising, and store management. Here is our today's lesson objectives. At the end of the session, you will be able to describe the types, functions, and factors to consider for different window structures. Different types of window structures include number 1, parallel to sidewalk window, number 2, corner window, number 3, open back window, number 4, arcade window, number 5, windowless window, number 6, shadow box window. So let's go through it in details. Our first type of window structure in retail is parallel to sidewalk window. Department store with very large frontage on the main street often choose to build storefront windows that run parallel to the sidewalk. Generally, back closed window structures, no interference of the interiors, perfect for extravagant display. So parallel to sidewalk windows are common used in department and specialty stores, which have the advantage of a very large frontage on the main street. Here the window runs parallel to the sidewalk and are generally back closed window structures to separate them from the rest of the stores. It is perfect for extravagant displays such as Christmas and other times to promote a special theme. This type of display window is more commonly used in United States and European countries. For example, in many stores earlier they used to have this type of window display, but later on they have converted it to a selling area instead. Not many stores use this type of window display or limit it to a small area due to the need for selling space. These are the images for parallel to sidewalk windows. You can see from the images that it gives maximum exposure to window display. Second type of window structure is corner window. Advantage of the fact that passers-by will be conversing on the store from two directions. Provides greater visibility to the store and its interior. Stores in such location generally pay a premium rental. When a retailer occupies a corner location, the design should take advantage of the fact that passers-by will be conversing on the store from two different directions. These are the windows which are seen from two directions, hence it provides maximum visibility to the store. Therefore, in such location, generally the retailer has to pay a higher rental. Third type is open back window. The entire store is visible to the consumer from the outside. Also features conventional window display. Drawback: invite shoppers to handle the merchandise on display so the display can become untidy. From the images, you must have got an idea. Open back window has large glass panel at the front and no wall at the back. Retailers who believe that the entire store should be visible to the customer from outside yet feel the need to feature conventional window display often choose the open back window structure. Open backs sometimes invite shoppers to handle a merchandise on display. As a result, the display becomes messy. And that's the disadvantage of open back window. Fourth type is arcade window. Minimum frontage has ample depth or the strict merchandising philosophy that requires more window display space. Setting back the store entrance from the building line and extending the size of the display windows. When a store has minimum frontage on the street or in a mall but has ample depth, the arcade front is often built. The arcade configuration requires setting back the store entrance from the building line and extending the size of the display windows. Stores with limited frontage or merchandising philosophy which require more windows display space will benefit from such a design. Here is a diagram showing the difference between an arcade window and non-arcade front. The window on the left allow more items indicated with circles to be displayed. Hence, arcade windows are often the predetermined spaces with an area either side of a door that turns into a concave panel as customers reach the middle of your window. This is an area where visual merchandising teams need to be more creative as displays are often governed by store or center management and have very limited space to work in. The fifth type is windowless window. Store without any of the traditional window design, ample space frontage, shopper can get an impression of the store's merchandise and will enter the premise without being enticed or tempted or attracted by a window. Must ensure merchandise is clearly visible from the outside of the store. Must ensure security of their goods. In most shopping malls, the majority of the stores' exteriors feature windowless windows. Retailers in these locations often construct their store without any of the traditional window designs. The reason for creating such an ample space frontage is for the shopper to get an impression of the store's merchandise and will enter the premise without being attracted by a window. There is a need to ensure that the merchandise is clearly visible from outside of the store. Stores that use this type of open design must also ensure security of their goods. Some stores use security guards at the entrance as a cautionary measure, while some other stores uses a security gate to block off the entrance, but still permit customers to see inside. Sixth type is shadow box window, used by stores to feature small items such as fashion accessories, jewelry, and collectible items. Window structure that enable close inspection of the merchandise without requiring shopper to crouch on the floor. Usually, it is elevated for comfortable and clear viewing. Shadow box display are small windows in a box shape that are usually used by or to feature small items such as fashion accessories, jewelry, and collectible items to display their products. In this kind, it enables close inspection of the merchandise without requiring the shoppers to crouch on the floor. Windows of this nature usually are elevated for comfortable and clear viewing. For jewelry and expensive wear, they are often removed from the shadow box and placed in secure storage for safekeeping at the end of the business day. With this, we have come to the end of today's session. Hope you have understood everything. For any doubts and clarification, please get in touch. Signing off, stay fit, stay healthy. See you soon. Thank you and have a great day.